Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to copy your community link on WhatsApp. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to easily share your community with others. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Look for the 3 people icon located beside the Chats tab. This icon represents your community or group. Step 3. At the top right corner of the page, you will find 3 dots. Tap on these dots to access additional options. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select the Community Info option. This will take you to the information page of your community. Step 5. On the Community Info page, you will find an option called Invite. Tap on it to proceed. Step 6. Finally, locate and tap on the Copy Link option. This will copy the community link to your device's clipboard. That's it. You have successfully copied your community link on WhatsApp. Now you can share it with your friends and invite them to join. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Thank you for watching.